Yay, oh yay, Mosen Ref is gone. I think he's gone for good. It's been 3 years since he's been gone. So we decided to throw a party. Alright everyone, let's party, 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 party. Oh yeah. This is a cool party. This is cool. Any beer? This is a great party, dude. This party is cool. What do you think of this party, Triceratops? I think this party's cool, as long as nothing bad happens. Oh my God! Black sand, where'd it come from? You thought I was gone, didn't ya? Well, you all were wrong. And now, you must all pay for defeating me. Trust me, this new black sand spell will defeat you all, because I'm back from the land of black sand. And I got a new surprise for you all. He's one of my closest friends. He is... I'm Scardog. And I'm for Mosen Rap. Oh, we are all in deep trouble. I was right. I knew he would return, because he has to defeat us. He has to. It's his mission, or something like that. But you all, listen up. We are all in danger. I thought, since he's gone a long time, he'd leave us alone. Well, we are all wrong. We've all been tricked. You betchy. Could someone tell me what's going on? Who's that? Who? What they said. Who are you? My name's Killer Ball. My friends call me Ball. But anyway, I got my killer basketball, and we're gonna go defeat him. I can't believe my brother betrayed me. I'm gonna kill Scardog, but I'm the good dog. Thank you. You'll make a great thing on this team. Don't you think we should get rid of that black sand or something before he turns bad? Drunken butthead. So, let's get ready to rumble. Now, me and you will go to attack. Get this stinking black sand out of here, the good dog. Arr, 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 arr. Thank you. The black sand's out of our sight. Arr, you're messing with me. You betrayed me, brother. Dude, don't fight. Arr, 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 arr. Oh no, the good dog's in trouble. I must go and join the battle. No, you wait here. Got any carrots? Yeah, well anyways, you wait here. I'll go get him with my killer ball. Boing, 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 boing. Eat this! That's it. Playtime's over. It's time to spill the black sand. You shall not spill the black sand on me, 'cause me, Pennycat, will bite you and eat you and bite you severely till you bleed to death. Oh, yeah. Oh, Pennycat, you'll stay here and keep our money safe. I'll stay here and keep your money safe. Because money is cool. I got your checks too, so don't worry. I protect it all. Money? I could be rich if I steal it. I'm getting out of here. That way I can escape and sneak up later and get the money. Aha, I'm gone. It's all up to you, Scardog. Arr, let me go get her first. Arr, come and get me. I dare ya. Oh, the stupid Triceratops. Arr, oh, Yummy. Who's that? Mosenrath's returned. Oh no. You guys missing something? Oh. The money. What happened? The money's been stolen. Oh no, Mosenrath must have it. All right, Mosenrath, hand over the cash. Monster guinea pig, help me, we're all in danger. You remember what I said, I want to live here forever. But I'm still you guys' friend. I do not want to be stuck by this black sand. Now go get Mosenrath. Get up there. How can I? He's got a new ally. Who? His name is so-called Scardog, and he's really tough. Tougher than him. Well, get your new buddies. Go get him. Now! Arf. One down and 3 more to go or something like that, yeah. Haha, now I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams. Oh yeah. I got a plan. I think Killer Ball, or such as bugs, cannot live or destroy anyone with his Killer Ball unless I pour some black sand and steal his Killer Ball. Yeah, that's a great idea. Scardog! What? Come here, I gotta tell you something. Come here, Killer Ball. I want you to talk to my brother and tell him something. Yeah, what's that? What is it? Oh, it fell down. Haha! Now look who's got the power ball. And now, Bugs, or such is known as Killer Ball, is no more. Haha! That black sand's only good for hurting people. I ran out of that stupid spell that turns them evil. Darn it. What happened? I don't know, but just give me a beer. Shut up, drunk butthead. I need help. I'm weak. I'm going to sleep. The whole world is just fading out. Penny Cat and Killer Ball. What are you saying? Well, what I'm trying to say is that we cannot wake him up without the black sand. Mosenrath's got a good hand on it. We definitely can't wake up Bugs, or known as Killer Ball, until we get his ball back. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go pick Mosenrath and finish him off for good. No, let me go. You stay here. Here, Mosenrath. Be careful, the good dog. Don't ruin any of our precious money. Best with the best die like the rest. Ha! Now he's finished off. Ha! Let me have a whack at him. By the way, Mosenrath, do you have any beer? Sorry, only black sand. Well, I'm gonna whack you off the edge of the mountain. That hurt. My spinal cord's in pain. Well, it's only up to me. I am the only one right now that can defeat Mosenrath and finish him off. Hopefully for good. Well, I hope. Alright, Mosenrath, it's over. And I missed. Black sand. Much better. I feel much better now that I'm awake. Now, I'm going to try to keep the rest of the money safe that's left. And you three go get Mosenrath. Deal. Well. Ready for more? No. The ball! No, not the ball! Yep. I feel 100% better, yeah. Alright, Mosenrath. You ready for the final battle? You bet. You pesky little flies. Be defeated by this worm. No, all of you are really starting to get on my stinking nerves. And now, black sand. Send the teleporter of black sand. Send these guys to monster guinea pig cage. Now where's everybody? Gone, I tell ya. Where are we? In the monster guinea pig cage. And he's a monster, we're gonna die. Don't worry. Monster guinea pig is so nice. He wouldn't hurt a fly. He's one of our best friends, so don't worry. I believe anything you say. Triceratops, I believe anything you say. Will you guys get out there and get Mosenrath? He's taking over the world. He's spilling his black sand everywhere and turning everything into black sand world. Yep, only 30 more minutes until my super black sand bomb blows up and destroys the world, and I will rule the world all at once. I will be the black sand master. Especially with all this money. Go on, you guys. You only got 29 minutes by now. Get moving. It's a long trip back. It's gonna be a long one. But we can do it. Thank you, Monster Guinea Pig. You're welcome, and I will stay here, and I'll give you guys advice whenever you want. Alright, are you ready, Triceratops, to defeat Mosenrath? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready, the good dog, to defeat Mosenrath? Yes, I am. I'm ready to defeat Mosenrath, my poor brother. Are you ready, Pennycat, to defeat Mosenrath? Yes, I am ready, and I'll always keep your money safe afterwards. Are you ready, Killer Ball, to defeat Mosenrath? I am ready. Are you ready, Drunk Butthead, to take care of Mosenrath? Yeah. Just give me a beer. And I'll be happy. Only 25 minutes before my bomb goes off. I'm so happy. Go on, you guys. You only got 15 minutes left. Get going. Happy, nothing can stop me from spreading my joy. Oh, what was that? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Guys, you two will be too easy. And plus, there's only 13 minutes left. You're a dead man. Doc, I never meant to betray her. I was just under Mosenrath's spell. Now I've been freed. Now I must join you and help you defeat Mosenrath. It's dinner time. Let's get drinking. Let's start shooting hoops. Let's really shoot hoops now. Oh, we all are gonna destroy you, Mosenrath. All of us. including me. Scar Dog, welcome. Now you can help me defeat. I'm not gonna help you. You made me betray my brother by putting that black land spell on me, and I'll help them destroy you. I knew you never betrayed me, brother. You stupid settlement of twin brothers. I'll just finish you all off at once with my black sand. Alright, it's battle time. Now, you want to come at me one-on-one, or you all want to attack me? Because you're never ever going to defeat me. Yeah, you want to make a bet? Was that your stinking best shot, Scar Dog? Now, who's next? They cannot win. Oh, you cannot win me, you stinking drunk butthead. Help me. Fly, fool. My hat. Help me. Don't worry, I'll save you. Help me. Oh no, he's dead. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna just kill you, Mosenrap. He was one of my darndest best friends. You're gonna die, you stinking little son of a... Well, Mr. Fluffy, I tell you I can't be defeated. Just try to give me your best shot. I'm gonna get you. You dare, you're gonna get yourself hurt. Let me go get him. He's just as stupid as his brother. Well, what do you expect for twins? Let me get my hands on him and I want to eat him. He's broken. See? You cannot defeat me, you weak, pathetic fools. I go to the bathroom really bad. To pee or not to pee, that is the question. If I don't take a pee, I'm going to die. The more people we have, the more hope we have. I'm running to the nearest bathroom. I'm out of here. Well, Fluffy, it looks like it's only down to us two. Let's get Mosenrap. Just like what the monster guinea pig said. Oh well, who's next, I wonder? Get you! Got him, I tell you. Wrong again. Black sand rules. You test your own medicine, black sand. Bring it back at you. Is he dead? No, he's just wounded. I used the rest of my black sand on him. But you still cannot defeat me by yourself. You want to make a bet? You want to make a bet? I'll get you for hurting all my friends, including killing my best buddy. This is the best, but I like the rest. Yeah. Not hurt me. Whoa. I gotta get back up there. Back for more, huh? Yep. I'm gonna get you yet. Boom, back. My God, must die. You cannot defeat me. I cannot be defeated by this worm. Let's get up. Gotta get away. Got ya. Huh? Where'd it go? Whoa. One of these days, I'm telling you all. One of these days, I will return. I will admit defeat if my next mission don't work. He was one heck of a good friend. Why did he have to be killed? Everybody dies. We all must die. Mosenrap is gone, but he will return. He will not admit defeat till we defeat him or destroy him for good. I'll keep all your money safe. I'll keep it all safe right here.
We've been great brothers. I never got to know the little guy. It sure sounds like he was a drinker. He was a drinker, but I trusted him. He was a darn good friend. We must bury him in rock tomb. Goodbye, old pal. I loved you.
Ooh, man, I thought I had to go. You should have seen the fight. So is he gone? Is he gone for good? Shut up. What do you want to do with him, boss? You are off the team. You didn't do nothing for us. You were off. Why don't you go join Mosenrath or something, you big fat loser? You betrayed us. Betrayed us big time. Like I did my brother. But I will never do it again. He tricked me at the Sandsville. Fine then. You all will pay for this. I'm going to join on Mosenrath's team. I'm out of here.
I don't care. My best buddy was killed by that.
No. Last thing I want to do is kill him! Don't worry. We'll be all okay. Just as long as we're away from Mosenrath. We shall all be safe. But this mission ain't over yet. It's still to continue. For on and on all of time. Till someone finally defeats him and destroys him. I never really got to know Drunk Butthead. But from what I hear, he was a really good person. A really good dino. I wish I really got to know him better. But we can all live in peace. Major peace.
When Mosenrath is dead, he's gonna kill me and all of my friends. I hope Fluffy gets him good. But it's not over yet.